Tired of your iPhone photos eating up precious storage or not fitting perfectly into your project? Let's dive into how to resize your photos directly on your iPhone. A surprisingly simple process with multiple handy methods to tackle storage woes or specific image needs. First up, the easiest option, the built-in reduce file size feature. Simply go into your settings app. Then tap on Photos, scroll down until you find Reduce File Size under the Photos Settings tab. This automatically optimizes your photos for storage without drastically altering their visual quality. It's great for everyday use and freeing up space. For more control, we can use a built-in editing tool. Open the photo you want to resize in your Photos app. Tap the Edit button in the top right corner now. Look for the crop icon. It looks like two overlapping right angles. Tap that. You'll see a few aspect ratio options along the bottom. While this primarily changes the aspect ratio, it also implicitly resizes the image within that new frame. But what if you need to set exact dimensions? For this, we'll turn to the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Once it's open, tap Create Shortcut, then add Action, search for Resize Image and select it. Tap the input variable, which will be photo, and then tap the next button to select Choose Now. Tap Done on the bottom to name your shortcut. Something like Resize Photo is perfect. Finally, head back to your Photos app, select your image, tap the share icon, scroll down to Shortcuts, and tap your newly created Resize Photo shortcut. Here, you can manually enter your desired width and height, then tap Done. Your resized photo will be saved as a new image. And there you have it, 3 distinct methods to resize your photos on your iPhone, ensuring you always have the perfect image for any situation.